Consider the numbers 252, 270, and 300. A. Create a Venn diagram using the prime factors of the numbers. B. Use the Venn diagram to find the greatest common factor of 252, 270, and 300. And C. What's the greatest common factor of 252 and 270? What's the greatest common factor of 252 and 300? Explain how you found your answer. Alright, let's get busy. Alright, first thing we have to do is find the prime factorization of each of these numbers. So 252 is divisible by 2, so that would be 126. We can do 2 again, which is going to be 63. Now we can do 3, which is going to be 21, 3, and 7. Oh my goodness. Now let's try 270. 2 will work 135 times. 5 will work 27 times. 3 will work 9 times. 3 and 3. Now let's do 300. 300 will be 150. 2 will work again, which will be 75. 5 will work, which would be 15, and then 3 and 5. Let's see if we're going to have room to draw a Venn diagram here that has 3 numbers in it. Alright, let's try 252 on this one, 270 on this one, and 300 on this one. Alright, so let's start. Do we have a 2 in common for all of them? Yes, we do. So that's going to go right in the middle there. Do we have another 2 in common for all of them? No, just for 252 and 300. So that goes in there. Do we have a 3 in common for all of them? Yes, we do. So that's going to go in the middle. Do we have another 3 in common? No, but we do have 1 in common for these 2 numbers. Let's check for a 7. Do we have a 7 in common anywhere? No, we don't. Do we have another 3 in common? No, we don't. And do we have another 5 in common? No, we don't. So let's start working out all the greatest common factors. So the greatest common factor of all the numbers will be right in here. Those 2 factors are 2 and 3. So 2 times 3 is 6. So let's put a 6 right there as that answer. Now we're going to worry about 252 and 270. 252 and 270, the common factors are these right here. These 3 are in common. So we're going to go 3 times 3 is 9, 2 times 9 is 18. Put that up there. And then last but not least, let's find the common factor for 252 and 300. Those are going to be right here where those 2 circles combined. 2 times 2 is 4 times 3 is 2 times 2 is 4 times 3 is 12. So it's not very neat. I didn't have a lot of room, but I think I've identified all the greatest common factors that they're asking for. All of the numbers would be 6. These 2 numbers is going to be 18, and these 2 numbers is going to be 12. I'd certainly like somebody to double check me on that to see if I got that right.